Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
How many followers have you got now throughout the world, or can you not count?
Well, for any genuine thing, the followers may be very little. And any rubbish thing, the followers may be many.
How many, I've met sort of initiated followers, people who are...
About 3,000 we have got.
And is it growing all the time?
Yes, it is growing, but it's slowly. Because we have got so many restrictions, people do not like any restriction.
Yes. Where is the following the greatest? Is it in America?
In America, in Europe, and Canada, in Japan, Australia, and in India there is millions of this kind. Apart from India and other countries, they are small quantity. But in India there are millions and millions.
Do you think your movement is the only way to come to know God?
Do you think this movement is the only way to know God?
Yes.
But how do you have that assurance?
From the authorities, from God, Krishna. Krishna says, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mami Tam Saranam Bhaja.
But if somebody else was to say that God had told him something else, would you equally believe him?
It's not that we don't accept other religious processes.
No, we believe other process. Just like there are steps, if you want to go to the topmost story, so you go by steps. So some of them have gone 50 steps, some of them have gone 100 steps, but to complete it requires at least 1,000 steps.
And you've gone up the 1,000, have you?
Yes.
If any of us here this morning wish to become followers, what would we have to give or give up?
The first of all, one has to give up illicit sex life.
Does that include all sex life, or what is illicit?
Illicit sex without marriage, without any relation, sex life, that is illicit sex life.
So sex is allowed in marriage,
That
but not outside?
That is animal sex life. Animals, they have no relationship and have sex life. But human society, there is restriction. In every country, in every religion, there is a system of marriage. So without marriage, sex life is illicit sex life.
But sex is allowed within marriage?
Yes, that is.
And what else would one have to give up for?
One has to give up all kinds of intoxicants.
Is that drugs and spirits?
Any kind of that intoxicates.
Even tea and...
Even tea, cigarette, these are also intoxicants.
Alcohol, marijuana,
yes.
tea.
Yes.
Anything else?
I want us to give up animal food, all kinds of animal food, meat, eggs, fish, like that. And one has to give up gambling.
Does one have to leave one's family? I think everybody lives in the temple, don't
Oh
they?
yes.
So if you're...
Unless one gives up all these sinful activities, one cannot be initiated.
So one should give up one's family as well?
Family?
To be a yes.
Of course, family, we are not concerned with the family, we are concerned with the individual person. If one wants to be initiated in this Krishna consciousness movement, he has to give up all these sinful activities.
So you give up family as well. But what about work?
No,
I mean,
no,
one
need
doesn't
of.
have to give up one's family.
But I mean, supposing I wish to become an initiate, wouldn't I have to come and live here?
No.
Not necessarily.
Oh, I could stay at home.
Oh yes.
So what about work though? Does one have to give up one's job?
You have to give up these bad habits and chant this beat, Hare Kṛṣṇa mantra. That's all.
Would I have to give any financial support?
No, that's your voluntary ways. If you give us, that's all right. Otherwise, you don't mind.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
We do not depend on anyone's financial contribution. We depend on God and Krishna.
I wouldn't have to give any money at all.
No.
Is this one of the main things that distinguishes a genuine guru from a fake guru?
Yes, a genuine guru is not a businessman.
Hare Kṛṣṇa, Hare Kṛṣṇa, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.